You can get involved in fundraising for striking writers. You can organize a campaign, crowdfunding, or connect to existing ones. Organizations or foundations that support film and television creators. Many organizations and groups are active in support of the strikers. Screenwriters by collecting signatures on petitions. Signing these petition can help to increase pressure to the sides of the conflictual, contentious issues. You can write letters or send emails to film studios, television networks, and others. Representatives of the entertainment industry, expressing your concern and requesting to heed the demands of the striking writers. Objectives: increase funding and job security for writers. Increase the size of writers' rooms, limit the use of artificial intelligence in the writing process.